चीजें मैं कहना चाहूँगा। पहली बात तो ये है कि you all are better than me, particularly when I was of your age. Say when you are in probably 20s, and I still remember when I was 36-year-old, 10 years of working experience, I was already chartered accountant. But when somebody asked me to speak for 2 minutes, I could not speak. But you spoke for almost 8 to 10 minutes. So you all are better than me. So one round of applause for everyone. The second thing I would like to tell you is, have you heard say phrase exceed the expectation? Can anybody explain what is the meaning of exceed the expectations? Go beyond the expectation. Okay. Do you think you have exceeded the expectations of all sitting here? Who thinks? No one. Definitely expectations हम लोगों की बहुत रहती है, और there were a scope of doing much better. जैसे सर ने कहा, कई बार मेरे पास में भी आते हैं ये समय प्रोग्राम के लिए, और उनका यही कहना होता है कि सर हमको सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए आपसे। पहले उससे बात होती है कि सर सर्टिफिकेट देंगे क्या? तो I'll give you an example of exceeding the expectation. Okay. Now, any one of you have been to Mumbai? काफी लोग। बॉम्बे में आपने सुना होगा, मतलब अंधेरी से नरीमन पॉइंट, you have to take a taxi. Suppose you get down at airport and you have to take a taxi for Nariman Point. Okay, what do you expect from a taxi driver? Can anybody tell? क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं आप टैक्सी ड्राइवर से? जल्दी लेके जाएगा, और हैं जगह पे छोड़ेगा, बीच में नहीं छोड़ दे, और कम पैसे लेगा, मतलब मीटर से भी कम लेगा। अच्छा, और इधर उधर घुमाएगा नहीं, खड्डे से बचा के ले जाएगा, एक्सीडेंट नहीं करेगा। इसके अलावा और क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन हो सकती है आपकी एक टैक्सी ड्राइवर से, जो कि आपको एक एयरपोर्ट से लेके 1 घंटे का रास्ता नरीमन पॉइंट लेके जा रहा है? टाइम, सेफ्टी, चलते चलते जानकारी देगा, जैसे सर ने बताया। लेकिन अगर आप टैक्सी में जैसे ही बैठते हैं और वो आपको बोलता है सर 1 घंटे का रास्ता है, आप न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना चाहेंगे? एंड यू सेड यस। फिर वो पूछता है आप मराठी पढ़ना चाहेंगे, हिंदी पढ़ना चाहेंगे, इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना चाहेंगे? ओके, नाउ हाउ मच दैट कॉस्ट? मे बी 10-15 rupees फॉर द होल डे. बट इफ ही आस्क दैट एंड ही गिव्स योर पेपर, how would you feel? He has exceeded the expectation. You never expected from that taxi driver to give you the newspaper, which is very small thing. Second, he may ask, sir, आपको पानी चाहिए? मेरे पास में वाटर बॉटल है ना? There can be ice box in the dicky and he can keep some water bottle. How do you feel? You never expected. आपको प्यास लगेगा, आपको अगर जरा भी कहीं रोकना, मेरे को पानी की बोतल खरीदने दीजिए। बट ही, इफ ही ऑफर्स यू अ वाटर बॉटल, हाउ यू फील? राइट? सो ये छोटी छोटी चीजें होती है जिससे एक्सपेक्टेशन यू कैन एक्सीड। एंड जब आप उतरेंगे तो 50 रुपये उसको टिप देंगे, और उसका टेलीफोन नंबर भी लेंगे, भैया नेक्स्ट टाइम आऊँ तो तू ही मुझे मिलना है एयरपोर्ट पे। सो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आपने जो भी प्रेजेंटेशंस दिए हैं, there were a lot of scope for improvement. So in future, whatever you do with the passion. Then you will exceed the expectation of everyone, and you will also get the satisfaction of achieving something. Thank you.
So now we'll have a 5-minute tea break. You can join us for tea and biscuits. And later we'll announce the winners of today's SIP competition, and we'll have a prize distribution ceremony. Please join us for the tea break.
यस, आप लोगों ने इतनी बात करी कि माइक बंद हो गए थे. Ask them to join. You're through? हाँ? I'll hand over to you. किसी को तो भी जजेस को एक वो और एक वो देना है ना, दो दिया ना. हाँ ठीक है, हाँ यस. ओ क्लास तो है, आ जाओ सीधा प्लीज. आपको तो आ रहे हैं ना, प्रेसिडेंट साहब आ रहे हैं. उसके साथ ही दे दो ना. हाँ हाँ बैठिए. वेलकम बैक. अब वो घड़ी आ गई है कि ये मालूम पड़ेगा कौन विनर है कौन लूजर है. आप में से कितने लोग लूजर्स हैं? कितने लोग क्विटर्स हैं? कोई नहीं. बिकॉज वी स्टार्टेड बाय सेइंग दैट इफ यू चैलेंज अदर्स यू मे लूज वन डे, बट इफ यू चैलेंज योरसेल्फ यू विल विन एवरी डे. हमने इससे शुरुआत करी थी. सो व्हाट हैज हैपेंड टुडे इज यू हैव चैलेंज्ड योरसेल्फ. देयर इज नो क्विटर and there is no loser. Because it is said that winners do not quit and quitters do not win. जो मैदान छोड़ के भाग जाता है वो कभी जीतता नहीं है, और जो जीतना जानता है वो कभी मैदान छोड़ के भागता नहीं है. So all of you have won because you have participated. Now, a great round of applause. Thanks to the judges also, and I hand over the floor to Valerie for the concluding formalities.
Thank you, sir. So, are you ready for the results? Okay, before that, we would like to thank our judges who have taken their valuable time and who have came here and guided our students, and also they have shared their experience with us. So with this, I request Dr. Shyam Shukla sir to please offer a memento to SD Bhave sir as a token of appreciation. So also to Vivek Nagbire sir. To Hemant Lodha sir. We have with us the President of VIA, Mr. Atul Pandey sir. So I request sir to address our student, to give a presidential address.
Good evening, friends. It's at the second of the day. I'm sure you have had a very hectic session this evening. And at the outset, I would like to compliment both these organizations, National HRD Forum and HRD Forum of Vidarbha Industry Association for this program. Me and Suresh, we were just discussing and we shared with our honored judges this evening that we remember having organized one competition. Ashida, if you would remember, Girish? Yeah, at Scientific Hall, we had the hall packed there, wherein like this, there were teams from MBA institutes from this area, and the topic there was change management. और अभी जैसे आप लोगों ने इसका आधार जो है आपके समर की जो प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं उसके आधार पे किया हुआ है, वहाँ पे चेंज मैनेजमेंट पे हर इंस्टीट्यूट ने अपनी अपनी स्किट्स बनाई थी, you know, picking up some idea on change management, and then the skits were prepared and live performance वहाँ पर थी. I think we had about 10 or more teams there, and a very enjoyable program, 3.5 hours of full of. Similarly, today, this evening also, although I was not privileged to be there all throughout, but at the FEGEND I could get valuable remarks from the judges here, wherein they also gave you important feedback, as well as they spoke high about the participation level here. Friends, summer projects, even VIA has offered earlier. हमने कुछ surveys किए थे industries के, particularly clusters के surveys किए हुए थे, and that was highly appreciated earlier. आप अपने मन से कोई project चुनने के बजाय हमने वो cluster identification and study of clusters के हमने ऊपर में रखा था, wherein from all the 10 districts of Vidarbha we had participation. It was almost 2 months long. Of course, the entire period of your summer project was involved there. We still have in our archive those studies, and you'll be very happy to know that it is almost 10 years now, but the data collected 10 years back, we know that there's change in the scenario, but उसका जो आधार था स्टडी का, उन बच्चों ने जो किया हुआ था, we realized कि उन्होंने कितनी मेहनत की थी इसके ऊपर में, और आज भी हम उसके एक्सर्प्ट्स यूज करते हैं अपनी विदर्भा की इंडस्ट्रीज को प्रोजेक्ट करने के लिए. सो मीनिंगफुल प्रोजेक्ट्स आर इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट. प्रोजेक्ट करने के लिए करना अलग बात होती है, पर उसको थोड़ा सा उसका यूसेज या उसकी यूटिलिटी आगे में भी हो, वो भी अगर हम ध्यान रखें तो मेरे ख्याल से बहुत बेहतर होगा. आप सबका अभिनंदन, और मैं ज़्यादा समय नहीं लेना चाहूँगा बिकॉज इट्स ऑलरेडी टू लेट. So thank you so much, and all the good wishes to all of us.
Thank you, sir. I request the Vice President of VIA, Sinha sir, to give a concluding remarks and vote of thanks.
Thanks, Valerie. President sir, Mr. Jain, Mr. Kirish Devdar, honorable judges and friends. In fact, I was wondering, I thought I'll keep quiet because after listening to all of you, I thought that what better can I say? But I thought that I also must thank you for participating, because taking part is more important than winning. Thanks for participating. And as a matter of strategy, I decided to propose a vote of thanks before even the prizes are announced, so that all of you are present and you compulsorily listen to me. I have a few observation which I would like to share with you. Number one was, your cosmetic is as important as the content of your presentation. Now, what I have noticed is that about the cosmetic you were quite negligent. The font color, the size of the font, the animation, the usage of the animation, it was, crumbled. Many of the presentations were crumbled. So I think that whenever you make a presentation, please remember one thing, that your contents are very important, but your cosmetic is also equally important. Even a presentation on cosmetic lacked cosmetics, So I hope that you will take care of that. The color combination, the number of lines to be put in there, the usage of the animation and things like that. Then usually the objective of your presentation should be in the front. I mean, it should be first or second slide. But most of you, I saw that the objective came at the fag end of the program. I mean, at the 13th or 14th slide, the objectives came in. Now, this is a serious omission. I mean, I consider it to be, I do not know from where you have learned the presentation skills, but this needs to be corrected. That the objective of your presentation should be, or your research project or your summer project should have been announced in the very beginning itself, the first or second slide itself. This was one thing which I thought that I will. Most of you were found only reading the slides. The slides should be only synoptic slides, and there should be only bullet points, and they should only trigger your memory to talk about it, rather than उसको देख के हम लोग पढ़ते रहें पूरी तरह से. और ये जो हिंदी अंग्रेजी का प्रयोग किया, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, but it's not always preferable. Many organizations may not like it. That when they expect your presentation, I do not know whether Valerie ma'am and others have informed you that the presentation will be in English or it will be multilingual. But nonetheless, it's desirable that if you have been asked to make a presentation in the medium of your instruction, then you should stick to that medium. And I also do not know that, I had a lot of expectation. In fact, Lodha sir has talked about, exceeding the expectation and all that. You exceeded my expectation in terms of your English language. By and large, I noticed that there is a remarkable improvement in your English speaking ability. But the content, again, from management student, the expectation was much more different than what it came through. So that is one frustration. And I was also wondering why all of you needed an assistant to operate your PPTs. There are technology available with a click of a button. You could have, the remote was available even here, I am sure. You should have inquired about it. Why do you require an assistant to, and every time turn around and next please and next please and next please? Out of the 7 minutes, maybe, at least 30 seconds were lost only in saying next please, next please, next please. So I do not know. None of you were assertive to, the person who was standing here, you could have asked him to set aside and then you could have started your presentation yourself rather than, and standing here, you could have taken the benefit of the podium so that the body language is not visible to your the judges. But anyway, these are a few tips I thought that I must tell you. Friends, my thanks to the judges for sparing their valuable time and coming here. My thanks to the Institute, Central Management Institute and the National HRD Network. And thanks to all of you. VIA keeps on organizing programs on management and programs on human resource development. So do participate. Keep in touch with us. You guys have the potentiality. Don't lose your heart if you don't win. Taking part is more important than winning. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. So the most awaited moment of the day. Okay. So first, initially we are declaring the results in HR category, human resource category. So any guesses for human resource? Any guesses from back? HR. So the second prize in HR goes to Shweta Jiljalwar from SB Jain College. I request President Sir to please. Big round of applause. The first prize in HR category goes to, now any guesses? HR? It's Namita Sahare from Tirupudi College. कंजूसी हो रही है ताली बजाने. So here we come with finance category, financial management. So the first prize goes to Praveen Bagmar from CIV Madi College. Second prize in financial management category. Any guesses? It goes to Pranita Dhole from NIT College. Marketing management. First prize goes to Ashutosh Daima from CIB Madi College. Second prize in marketing management, Nikita Bansole, CIB Madi College. Thank you, sir. I now request Vice President of VIA to give the award for Best College, who has responded well, who has performed well and performed as a team. So the Best College award goes to SP Jain College. Please come forward. Yes. SP Jain entire team. Now it's a photo session. So all the awardees, please come in front with your awards and certificate. We'll have a group photo. The other students will get the participation certificate after this. So please wait. Thanks to all. Participants will please come here and collect your participation certificate from me. Sonia Bagre. Hina Kausar. Aniket Devgade. Please come fast. Namita Sahare. Praveen Bagmar. Vinny Nair. Pranita Dhole. Ashutosh Daima.